3D movies and holograms feel like magic, but it's actually pure science. Meet Dr. Valerie Thomas, a brilliant NASA scientist who changed how we see the world. Ever since she was a little girl, Valerie was curious about how things worked. Even when people told her she couldn't, she checked out books on electronics and learned it all herself. In 1980, she invented something incredible, the illusion transmitter. Imagine a device that uses concave mirrors to bounce signals and project stunning, realistic 3D optical illusions right into thin air. No glasses required. But she didn't stop there. Dr. Thomas worked at NASA for over 30 years, managing the systems that gave us the very first images of Earth from space. Her research laid the ground floor for modern satellite data, life-saving medical imaging, and those awesome 3D movies you watch in theaters today. She didn't just dream of the future, she looked into it and built it. Remember, your curiosity is a superpower. Never let anyone stop your big ideas. Like and subscribe for more brilliant stories from the Lab of Legends.